We're just here at the Belfast City Hospital and we're about to crane up the BMU, the building maintenance unit. At the moment, weather conditions is fine, slightly gusty, but hopefully it'll be all good to get the lift up and on. So we'll have 3 lifts today. We'll have the actual BMU unit itself that sits on the rails. We will have the basket, and we'll also have the housing for the roof of the actual BMU. That's actually what the basket sits in day to day when it's not being used. So a BMU runs around the perimeter of the tower block here on a railing system, and then it drops down at any point down the side of the building to clean glass, remove glass, any inspections required on the external panels. But it's been out of commission here for a long time, so I'm sure the trust is happy to get it back up and running again. Tower block 74 metres high. We can access all areas of it. The last one was here was sort of limited. This new one here, we're fit to drop it down the corners. Every section of the building is going to be fit to be covered with it. We're obviously delighted to be involved with it, delighted to get this delivered. I think it's one of its first type in Northern Ireland.